In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to analyze your campaign performance in HubSpot so you can clearly understand what's working, what's underperforming, and where to optimize. Whether you're running email campaigns, ads, landing pages, or full multi-channel marketing initiatives, HubSpot gives you powerful analytics tools built right in. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know how to navigate campaign analytics, interpret the key metrics, compare performance over time, and export reports for your team or clients. If you find this helpful, make sure to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more HubSpot and digital marketing tutorials. Let's jump right in. First, you need to navigate to the Campaigns tool inside HubSpot. From your main dashboard, go to the top menu and click on Marketing, then select Campaigns from the dropdown. This will take you to the Campaigns Overview page where you can see a list of all the campaigns you've created. Here, you'll get a high-level snapshot of performance metrics across your campaigns, which is helpful if you're managing multiple initiatives at once. But to really analyze performance in detail, you'll want to open a specific campaign. Next, select the campaign you want to analyze. Simply click on the campaign name, and this will open the full analytics dashboard for that campaign. Inside this view, you'll see a comprehensive breakdown of performance data tied specifically to that campaign. HubSpot automatically aggregates data from all associated assets, including emails, landing pages, ads, blog posts, workflows, and more, giving you a centralized performance view. Now let's talk about what you can actually analyze inside the campaign dashboard. First, you'll see traffic and engagement metrics. This includes sessions, new contacts generated, and overall engagement driven by campaign assets. These metrics help you understand how effectively your campaign is attracting and engaging your audience. Next, you can review influenced contacts and leads. This is one of the most powerful sections because it shows how many contacts interacted with assets connected to your campaign. You can see how your campaign contributes to lead generation and pipeline growth. Instead of looking at isolated email open rates or click rates, you're seeing the bigger picture of how your campaign influences customer behavior. You can also review each asset's individual performance. Scroll down within the campaign dashboard to see a list of associated assets. This might include marketing emails, landing pages, social posts, or ads. Click into each asset to drill deeper into specific metrics like click-through rates, conversions, form submissions, or revenue attribution. This allows you to quickly identify which components of your campaign are driving results and which ones may need optimization. Another powerful feature is the ability to compare performance over time. In the top right corner of the campaign dashboard, you'll see a date filter. Click on it to adjust the reporting period. You can select predefined ranges like last 7 days or last 30 days, or choose a custom range to analyze a specific time frame. This is especially useful when measuring the impact of a campaign launch, promotional period, or seasonal push. By adjusting the date range, you can identify performance spikes, dips, and long-term trends. This helps you make data-driven decisions instead of guessing what worked. Finally, let's look at how to export or share your campaign reports. On the campaign dashboard, locate the Export button. From here, you can export your campaign analytics as a CSV file for deeper analysis in tools like Excel or Google Sheets. If you're using a professional or higher HubSpot plan, you may also have the option to export as a PDF, which is perfect for client reporting or internal presentations. You can also share a dashboard link with stakeholders so they can view live campaign performance directly in HubSpot. And that's it. You now know how to analyze your campaign performance in HubSpot, review traffic and lead influence, compare results over time, and export reports for better decision-making. If this tutorial helped you, make sure to like the video and subscribe for more step-by-step HubSpot guides. I'll see you in the next one.